Today, we are going into the land of nowhere, where listings go to die or to thrive. We're going to gift for her. We're going to check out the listings on the front page of Gift for Her. We're going to analyze them. We're going to check them out. We're going to try to see how they got there, why they're staying there, etc. So, what's up, everybody? My name is Dave. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time. And there's very helpful links in the description, so check that out. So let's get started here. I'm going to do gift for her birthday because I typed in gifts for her and there were a few inappropriate products on there. I'll just leave it at that. This is a Christian channel, so we're going to have to keep it PG-13. And honestly, there's a lot of inappropriate stuff on Etsy, so we're going to keep it PG-13. So let's go with gift for her birthday. All right. I'm going to use Everbee to analyze this page. It's a Chrome extension. It's free to sign up. Let's go ahead and close this. So let's this is completely off the top. So let's just go with this one. 11,000 reviews. Happy birthday gift box. See the reason why I want to do the birthday stuff, because gift for her plus birthday, those are both tags that typically you want to not really go after too much. Why? Because they're so broad, and it's just got to kind of be a gift like this. This is like perfect. You know, it's a gift box, got a little succulent. It's got your name on a mug, on a tumbler, whatever that is. It's got a candle, and boom, you're good to go. Okay, that's perfect for a birthday. You could literally buy this for anybody, but I see a lot of people put, you know, gift for her and birthday gift on listings that are really going to have trouble getting to the top if they have to fight for it. You know, if it's a really niche thing, gift for her or birthday gift, it's just it's too niche to really apply to everybody's birthday or everybody's her, you know. So happy birthday gift box, Tumblr gift box, friendship gift, birthday gift box, gift for her, care package, free shipping. So yeah, we're going to use Everbee to check this out. Let's see how old this listing is, because that's really important. This shop has 118,000 sales. It's okay. It's only 8 months, so it's doing really well for those 8 months. $4,000 a month. Everbee is estimating this at. The tags look just fine. I wouldn't put free shipping in there. People do type in free shipping occasionally. However, there are. Let's go back to the page. Here it is. We'll go back to the page. There are filters for that. It's right here. Free shipping. Boom. So don't put free shipping in your title. Don't put on sale in your title. If somebody wants to find that, it's on the left-hand side. Okay. You are wasting your title space by putting free shipping or on sale in your title. So please do not do that. Other than that, I would leave the listing alone. This is a good example of what, you know, a birthday gift is, or a gift for her is. But, you know, if you have a really niche product, don't really go after birthday gift, or don't really go after gift for her, because it's so broad that you are going to, that's why I said at the beginning of this video, your listing will probably die if you try to go up against these 1.7 million search results here. You know, unless it's kind of like this. Look at everything that's doing well here. They're gift boxes. They're all gift boxes. This one's got slippers. This one's got some just cozy stuff that literally anybody could receive as a gift and be like, oh yeah, that's cool. Maybe not this one. I wouldn't recommend buying that one for anybody. Okay, didn't expect to see that. Great. Okay, so here's a good one. Birthday gift. It's a birthday gift. It has your birthstone on it. Okay, that's a good one. But again, just don't use birthday gift on just anything. Okay. Let's find another one, because this one here, I believe, was on the front page for Valentine's gift, the Valentine's page for a long time. So let's just check this one out, because I thought this was pretty unique and cool. Vitamin Me Daily Dose of Love, and inside these little capsules, there's notes that have little encouragement things, and that's super cute. That's very unique. I bet you it takes forever to fill these capsules, man. How, I don't know, $22? That's a lot of work. How many capsules are in this? Let's take a look at it. The listing's a year old in 1 month. Everbee's estimating 1.7K a month. Okay. Let's just find out. 60 capsules. How do you fill those? That's got to take longer than an hour, right? And $22, that you're not getting 22, you're getting probably, $17, $15 to $17 after everything's said and done per hour, maybe even longer than an hour. I'm not sure. Well, you had to make the listing, etc. So I don't know if that's worth an hour of time. However, it's a super unique product. I'm not going to talk about the logistics of it. Vitamin Me Daily Dose of Love, cute gift for her, anniversary gift for girlfriend, Valentine. Okay, I just don't do this. Again, the reason why I'm looking at these big shops, you guys, is that when you're looking at these front pages, and when you're going and saying, "Oh yeah, I need to get on this front page. I need to copy these kind of listings." That's not the case. The case is way different. As a small shop, you can't copy what big shops are doing, because there's a few unique situations that get them to these pages, but will not get you to these pages. Okay. This got there because it's so freaking unique. It's just I mean, I don't know. I don't know if this shop thought of it. I don't know if they're copying it. Maybe this shop seen it somewhere else and they were the first to do it on Etsy. I'm not completely sure. I didn't look into it. Maybe they are the one that invented this idea. I'm not sure, but it is very unique and not a lot of people are doing it. So that's how they got there. So don't look at this title and say, "Oh, you know what? I just need to put the word Valentine in here by itself." One word tags and one word phrases is going to hurt your SEO. Okay. The algorithm is always going to look at this and go, the algorithm does mix and match. Don't get me wrong. That is going to happen and that's fine. However, the algorithm also is going to say, Valentine, what? What Valentine? Like, what are you talking about? And it might match it up with something you don't want it to match up with, and then that'll result in wasted ad spend, etc. Again, it does mix, the algorithm mixes and matches pretty efficiently nowadays, but it also can find you some matches that are not applying to your product. So just by having one word in your title or one word tags, bad idea. Not gonna have fun by doing that. Okay, these guys, they are above the law. Okay, so don't go and copy big listings. So I'm using Everbee, you guys. If you want to try out Everbee, there's a link in the description. I get a tiny little commission for it. It doesn't cost you anything extra. You don't even have to put your card in to try it. And then if you want to pay for it, you can, and it's very affordable. It's like $8 a month. And then you can also pay for a bigger plan. Let's keep looking at some listings. I hate everyone but except us. That's funny. Let's see. A lot of gift boxes. See, that's what a birthday gift is. That's what, a gift for her is. Oh, this one is up in the game on these guys. This one got an upgrade and it's down here. This one has like a marble design. They got the succulent too, but they got the candle and a better container for the matches. Right here. Free shipping. I mean, like people do type in free shipping into the search bar. Don't get me wrong. However, again, the algorithm's going to say free shipping. What are you talking about? By putting free shipping in your title, you're actually opening up the potential for your ranking to be pulled in directions you don't want it to be pulled in. So if somebody types in free shipping and they're looking for like socks, then guess what? Guess who's a candidate to show up for that? You and your Tumblr. Not a fun thing. It's not good. You don't want to put free shipping or that kind of stuff in your title. That Etsy does a great job of showing buyers if it has free shipping. Okay, so be wary of that. This one, according to Everbee, is not doing as well as the one that's further up. I like this product much better than the other one. Maybe this one isn't going to be on this front page. One sec, I'm going to go over here. Maybe it's not going to hang around on this page for very long. And maybe it just showed me this today because I'm not signed in and I actually cleared my browser history and cache before using Chrome today. So that is another aspect of it because of interest-based search results. So this product, where is it? Where'd it go? This product, Tina might not be on here for much longer. Okay. It might just let's refresh the page actually. Let's see if Tina stays. Because sometimes it can go like that. Tina's still there. Okay. Don't worry, Tina. You're doing great. All right. Let's go back to the listing real quick. We didn't get a chance to look at it. Tags, friendship gift, care package, birthday gift, thank you gift box, succulent gift box, wine tumbler, birthday gift box, best friend gift, happy birthday. That tag, I have a problem with that tag. Just happy birthday. I guess that kind of just I guess it's cool because it's obviously a birthday gift, but this is the reason why I don't like it. Again, this shop's doing really good, and it doesn't matter what I say. They're gonna continue doing good. They have 60,000 sales. But as a smaller shop, I don't want you to follow this kind of stuff. Okay, so happy birthday. Where is the noun of the product? You always want to have an adjective and a noun. So you want to have a noun of what this is. Gift box would be the kind of like noun of this situation. So, every single other one of these has a noun in it. Birthday gift. What is it? It's a gift. What kind of gift is it? It's a birthday gift. Okay, so you always want to have adjective and noun. Otherwise, the algorithm is going to be saying, happy birthday what? Is this a happy birthday sock? Is this a happy birthday mug? Is this a happy birthday? What is it? What is it? Don't make the algorithm say what, because if you do, they're going to put your product in front of a bunch of people that don't know what they want, and they're going to click on your listing and pull your conversion rate down. Sure, there'll be people that buy it, but however, if you're put in front of audiences that are not warm for your product, then you are not going to have a good time. Okay. So that's everything for today, you guys. Check the links in the description. Check the link in the description if you want to try Everbee and support the channel. Also, my email's in there if you want to reach out for coaching or anything like that. Feel free to. Please subscribe if you have not already, and have a beautiful day.